Hey everybody, this is Dan from Mechanical Malarkey. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on a 2002 to 2006 Toyota Camry. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver. The cabin air filter is behind the glove box, so first you need to remove the glove box. Open it and remove anything inside it. Now we need to remove the damper. It has a screw on it, so remove that with a Phillips screwdriver. Then just pull the damper off. Now push in on the back side of the glove box to bring the sides in and release the stops. As it comes down, you can then just pull it right off the hinges. The filter is right here. There's a latch on each side. So squeeze those in and pull the whole filter tray out. And now to remove the filter from the tray, you have to pull it in around these tabs. Then any dust and debris in the tray, you can tap that out into a garbage can. So you got your new filter. Check for any directional indicators. If it says a direction for airflow, that goes down. This filter doesn't have any of that. So then just slide it into the tray, under the tabs, and then put it back in. Now to put the glove box back in, line up the hinges on each side and push it in. And then just push the whole thing up, put the damper on, and put the screw back in. All done. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, please like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Follow me on social media on Facebook and Instagram, and read the blog at mechanicalmalarkey.com. Thanks for watching.